What up, Poker Maniac TFP? Back to another video, man. We getting it in,
Three
man.
spades, 5 hearts, and a king of spades.
Little $25 bet
13 against the 5.
to see what's going on with it. Yeah, man. It just makes me sad that people be thinking I'm bullshitting. Like, y'all weren't here for the other 800 videos on Infinite Blackjack, and y'all just see one. I never seen y'all's comment, and you talking about, oh, you're not the reason why things are doing things. I believe I have a very big influence on why things have been changed. It just doesn't make sense that they would ban my channel or ban my comments in this table on this account. It just doesn't make sense. Why are you banning? I don't talk to the dealer sideways. All the dealers know who I am, so why are they banning my account, bro? I never talk to a dealer sideways. I might be like joking like a little bit, but it's nothing to where it's like, oh, I'm gonna block you. You know what I'm saying? Like, what dealer? The dealers know who I am, so I don't know what dealer decided to block my chat, bro.
8 of spades.
Can't be the dealer.
7 spades. Dealers cards. Score 13. 17. Hey, congratulations.
Yeah, we got a raise. Let's see what happens.
No reverse. Good luck. 9 of diamonds, the king of hearts, and the
oh, we got a 19. Is it good enough?
Dealers. 16. 17. Congratulations. Queen of hearts, 8 of clubs, and a queen of spades.
Well, we got a pair. We're gonna stand.
Are here, maybe left to stand in the plane. Six CashApp stands splits, ace hearts.
They split and got a 21 and a 14. Don't laugh at my glasses, man. Don't laugh at my glasses. I'm gonna start doing this. Right?
One more card.
This is my new costume right here. It's ridiculous, bro. That y'all sit there and take all these years I've been playing on this table, and you got people like actually got the Patreon and thinking, you know what I'm saying, not giving people their credit. Come on, let's get another pair right now. Look at my main bet. Do you think I'm gonna win this hand?
5 of clubs, queen of hearts, 6 of clubs, 11 against.
We didn't put enough on a high 3.
21 here.
If I had 25 in there, I'd have doubled down for no reason. I don't believe in doubling down against 10s, but it's only $25.
$52 doubles, 125 hits, 4 hearts.
4 hearts, you're gonna stand that. Just got done eating some ribs, black.
6 to 7 hits. 2 spades.
17 doesn't beat a 20.
And 15 and
oh, would you look at that?
Cards are 3 cards busted once.
I bet here.
3 busted. 6 got Charlie. That's close. Good luck. It's 2 diamonds, 5 clubs, and 2.
Hey, would you look at that?
4 against a 5, and all digits are available for you.
Easy split. That's profit. We profit no matter what by
Good
$5.
job. I think good job was made by Shuffler.
But if we can get a bust,
which is
we
magical
win the mains and the busted.
I'm just the nothing here, by the way. The 12 cashes, menu splitting gets 7 spades. I'm
That's
just
a
dealing
double
the cards
down.
and
That'd have been an
just
11
connecting
though.
all this stuff. So all the part of work just happens from.
Come on, give me the 11. Give me the 11.
So we need to say them thank you. 13 cashes, 179 hits, ace hearts.
That's what we want. Stand.
I'm doubters. What about you? La, 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 la. Another one card. King of hearts.
Oh. For those of you that don't know what to do, you got a 12. You got a chance to bust yourself. Don't bust yourself if the dealer's showing very weak. 4, 5, 6, the dealer is very weak. You don't want to bust yourself. A 6 is near. A 6 is near.
3 diamonds.
Okay? But 15, you don't want to take any more cards. And that could have helped because if the dealer had 10 plus 5 plus 3, that's 18. Right? So we need the dealer to bust with a 10 or a king.
No. Do I should fill the danger?
Simple math.
I don't think so. The 4 clubs.
Another good card, potential good card. Now if she has a 10 under there, like 5 plus 5, and there's the bust card right by. So bad. We need Ocho.
13.
Ocho, nope.
19.
Yeah, bro.
Or when you're selling each of that, it makes 36 to
Hey, this is a dub. For everybody that doesn't know, this is a dub right here. Look at my bet size.
The 6 of hearts, Queen of hearts, 2 of hearts.
And I normally raise the siders a lot more than that. Supposed to have been 25 on the sides. That's ridiculous, man. I was really confident on that hand to win.
Hello, you two.
3, 2, 3.
189 hits.
18. Come on, 7 under. Keep it 7. Keep it G.
Dealer's hand 20.
No. Guess what? We got halfway there. I was willing to go for it right there. We got an 18. It just wasn't good enough. Now we got to start all over.
10 diamonds. Jack raise. There's a 13 against 10. So low.
Notice, I bet $30 and we get a shitty setup. 13 versus 10. Very bad.
$17 cash outs. 149 hits. 2 hearts.
Any one of these cards after this card right here is bad news for us. The only card that's possible is a 5 right now. A 5 to come out of that deck. That's the only possible card that could help us right now.
But actually, I'm feeling
not because, yeah, obviously 15 plus 5 is 20, but it's near though. 5 is near?
It's Jack.
Nope.
Dealer's hand 20. And
dealer's slanging them 20s. We're down 100. We're basically even, but we're down 100 if we lose this hand here.
Must probably. That's close luck. 7 diamonds, Queen spades, 5 hearts, 12 against Queen. Though I'm happy to bet.
Notice my bet size is still low.
I don't know.
My bet size is still low because the cards ain't doing what they need to do right now.
With the shoulders, so shoulder doesn't.
Come on, give us a 9 for no reason.
Yeah.
Give me some side bet money.
I don't know for how long time I will be here. One more 8 of spades.
Oh, that's a 20.
15. There's bursting, 3 cards.
Did we win that?
So initial battling can give the chance to be back.
Here we go. This is it.
We're not actually loud as well.
This is it.
Queen of spades, Jack clubs, Jack hearts.
That's a 20. All in on a 20.
So that's why I'm just testing the shoulder at the moment. But yeah. For some month or 2, I'll be just only.
I'm ending the video no matter what.
And the budget table, I will.
But just notice that I raised all in and got a 20.
Cash, that's 4 splits.
Just no ace, no 11 underneath. We need an 8, 9, 10.
It's too difficult to answer the question. How was your time here?
I don't recommend you going all in.
One more.
But we need this hand, bro. We need this hand, dog.
Yeah, good. That's great.
Join the Patreon and get the top tier if you want to know how I'm doing that and what I'm looking for. It doesn't always work, but it works a good amount of majority of the time to where you can feel safe.
Let's open it.
Get out.
15. Busted 4 cards.
Oh god, we gotta see another one. We gotta see this one. I should have bet another 100, but let's see what happens.
That's close and right. 6 of spades, 8 of spades, and a ton of hearts. 16 against 8.
Almost a straight flush. I'm done. I'm done. We were at 700. I told you I should have been done then. I'm done. That's profit. That's profit, man. That's all we play. We play blackjack to profit. Don't get greedy. Get in and get out.
18 cashews, 1 double 4 6 kids. It's hard. So let's reveal. 12 and post it again.
That's it. 400. We got there.
Congratulations.